This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at a common problem on the XE-A107, 106 and 102 registers where a department button is not behaving as normal, it's not working. So you're in the reg mode, trying to type a sale through department 1, and whatever you type in, so 199, £10, you're just getting an E error message. Obviously the problem with the E error message is not very helpful in terms of it doesn't actually tell you what's gone wrong other than something has gone wrong. What's happened here is that the department 1 button has been misprogrammed accidentally, and this can happen because when you do your reports on the 107 machine you're also in the Z mode, so you'll often go to the Z at the end of the day, and it's quite easily possible to misprogram a button if you get confused or distracted while you're in the Z PGM position, and that's what's happened here, and it's what's happened quite a lot. I've had quite a lot of people call me up saying button number 1's not working, what's going on, I haven't done anything to it. It's easy to fix, and the way to tell for sure that it's a problem with button 1 is to check if the other buttons work. So can we ring 199 through department 2? Yes we can. Okay, so can we use department 3? Yes we can. So we're confident that the problem is to do with button 1, so all we now need to do is reset it back to factory default. Clear that off. Key round to PGM. Now the one thing to bear in mind is I'm going to set this one back to factory default, but if you've had any special programming done to your department number 1, which most people who are using a 107 range machine probably won't have done, you just want to consult the manual. So page 10 of the manual is where I'm getting this information from. So I'm going to set this back to how the button is out the box. So to do that, it's key to Z PGM. I then type in 0000 017. The 1 tells the department to be taxable at tax rate 1. If you don't want that, then just press 0. And the 7 is the digit entry limit. So if you have a halo programmed into the button, maybe put a 4 instead of the 7, but you'll know that if you originally set the machine up. But if you just want to return the button back to the factory default, it's this code here. Then you press the XTM followed by the department button that's not working. Obviously in this example I'm using department 1, and then save it by pressing your subtotal button. Key back to reg, try and ring your £10 through department 1, and it now works. So just to summarise, what I did was turn the key to Z PGM. I typed in 00000017. I pressed the XTM button, followed by my department button that wasn't working, so in my example it was this, and then I press the hash ST button, the subtotal key. That has reset department 1 back to the factory default, how it was out the box, so it's got a no entry limit on it, and it is assigned to tax rate 1. Hope that video's made sense. Page 10 of the manual, which you can download for free from sharphelp.co.uk, explains more. There's other videos, some of which are appearing now, which you're welcome to watch, and you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.